A very warm good morning to all. I am Saif Ali from ninth class. Today standing on front of you with my team, Tanish, Shoaib, Ans, Ayush, Harshit. My topic is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, the age of social change. Three parts of socialism: liberals, radicals, conservatives. Liberals wanted a nation which tolerated and religions, opposed uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers, argued for a representative elected parliament governments, a well-trained independent judiciary. They were not Democrats, did not believe in universal adult franchise. Radicals wanted a government based on majority of population, supported women suffrage movement, opposed privilege of great landowner, dislike of property in the hands of few. Conservatives. Earlier they opposed the idea of change but later accepted it. It's believed that change had to be through a slow process. Thank you. Yes.
Industrial society and social changes. These political trends were sign of a new time. It was a new time of profound social and economic changes. It was a time when new cities came up and industrialization, religion developed, railway expand, and the industrial revolution occurred. Industrialization, both men and women and children to factory work hard were often long and wages were poor. Unemployment was common, particularly during time of low demand for industrial goods. Housing and saturating were problems. Science town were growing, replied library and radicals searched for solution to these issues. Thank you.
Socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1940. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respect Marx's ideas. They formed the Socialist Revolutionary Party in 1900. This party struggled for peasants' rights and demanded that land belonging to peasants be transferred to peasants. Thank you and have a nice day.
Socialist was again private property and so was root the social ills of the time why individual owns the property of give employment but property were only with peasants not with the of those who made the private property. So, if society is who rather than seeing individual property more attention. Thank you.
The coming of socialism to Europe. Socialists had different versions of the future. Some believed in the idea of cooperatives. Robert Owen, 1771 to 1858, a leading English manufacturing, sought to a build of cooperative community called a New Harmon in India, USA. Other socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on the wide scale only through individual initiative. The demands of government encouraged cooperatives. Thank you.
Support for socialism. By the 1817, socialist ideas support through Europe to coordinate their effects. Socialism formed an international body, namely the secondary body. Workers and England and Germany began forming acceleration to fight the better living and workers coordinate. Thank you.
Thank you and have a nice day.